Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doc Keys. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily find the key of any song. So, if this is a tutorial you would like to watch, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So first of all, this is on F. I'll be doing it on the key. I'm on F right now. But let me show you how to easily find the key of any song. You know, every song has a pattern, either your 1, your 4, your 5. Most songs has the 1, the 4, and the 5, which is the Do, the Fa, and the Sol. You understand? So the most important thing for finding a key is the music ear and the root chord, which is your 1 or your Do. Are you getting something? You must have a music here. Assuming someone is singing like, oh, you are awesome, oh, glorious in your way. The key there is You not pick, do something like a picking and get it. You are glorious. Most glorious in your way. Your way is on F. So this is the F. So you now start playing. I want to just change the key. We lift your name high. You see? We lift your name. It's your A. Let me just explain how I did it. You lift your name higher. We lift your name high. We lift your name higher. We lift your name. Now you have gotten to your 1, which is your Do. So you now find the key for the You now do something like a picking. So this is not the key. You start playing. Hope I'm making sense. Someone just asked me, that's the reason I'm also doing it on my Facebook. Even if you don't know the song, you don't need to know the song before you play. You don't need to know the song. Just know, have that music here to ascertain when to get to your Do, which is your 1. That's how to get the key. So when the person is singing, with your music here, you know the Do, that is the 1 of that very song. Then you get the key for that 1. That is the key you want to play. Hope I'm making sense. Kadosh, Kadosh, you are mighty on. Let me change key for this one, and I'll get it. You reign, who is in Zion, in Kadosh, Kadosh, you are mighty on. Is the A. Just get the Do of the very song. Kadosh, Kadosh. You see? That's the A. So we can do it for any key. The most important thing is to know the Do of the very song. You sing it inside of you. That's in a fast forward manner. Then from there, you know the key. Then you get it and start playing. Hope I made sense. Let me get another random song. We praise you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for everything you are. You see? Thank you, Lord, for everything you are. That is the Do, and that is the root chord. That's what you're going to find. You just be doing it and be pressing it note by note. So this is your B flat. You see? It's very simple to find it if you have that music here and you know when person is singing the 1, the 4, the 5. This is the progression of the pattern of most songs that you see today. Understand? So let me just play a random song. I find the key, then I'll end this very tutorial. Let me say something like, draw me close to you, never let me fall. I want to change the key. Draw me close to you, never let me fall. This is your B flat. You see? So let me play it, then I'll call it a tutorial. Close to you. Never let me. So this is how to find the key of any song, even the song that you don't know. Very simple and very fast. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you.